Ever felt like navigating the world of cryptocurrency was like trying to decipher an ancient scroll? You know the treasure is there, but how do you actually unlock it? Specifically, how do you get into that vault, that digital safe, known as a Newton wallet? We've all been there. You hear about the potential, the buzz, the future of finance, but the practical steps? Those can feel like a maze. You've probably asked yourself, where do I even start? Is it secure? Am I doing this right? And most importantly, is this going to be a headache? Think of it this way. Imagine you're standing in front of a brand new, state-of-the-art bank. You've heard it has the best vaults, the most secure systems, and the most promising returns. But you don't know where the entrance is, let alone how to get a key. That's what opening a Newton wallet can feel like for many. And let's be honest, the crypto space is filled with jargon. Wallets, exchanges, private keys, public addresses. It's enough to make anyone want to throw their hands up and stick to good old-fashioned cash. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Today, we're going to demystify the process. We're going to walk you through, step by step, how to open a Newton wallet. No fluff, no jargon-heavy explanations, just a straightforward, easy-to-follow guide. Why Newton? Well, for many, it's a user-friendly gateway to the Canadian cryptocurrency market. It's designed to be accessible, especially for beginners. But that doesn't mean it skimps on security or features. It's a balance of simplicity and functionality. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Newton app. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Just search for Newton Crypto and look for the official app. Make sure it's the right one, with the correct developer name, to avoid any potential scams. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. This is where your journey begins. Now, the app will prompt you to create an account. Tap on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Here's where it gets slightly more personal. You'll need to provide your email address. Make sure it's an email you have regular access to, as you'll need it for verification and important notifications. Next, you'll create a strong password. This is crucial for the security of your account. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birthday. A password manager can be a lifesaver here, generating and storing complex passwords for you. After entering your email and password, Newton will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Newton. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your email address. This step ensures that you are indeed the owner of the email account. Now, you'll be asked to provide your phone number. This is another important security measure. Newton uses phone number verification to add an extra layer of protection to your account. You'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter this code into the app to verify your phone number. Next comes the identity verification process. This is a standard requirement for most regulated financial platforms, including cryptocurrency exchanges. Newton needs to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. You'll be asked to provide some personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Be prepared to provide a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. You'll likely need to take a photo of your ID using your smartphone's camera. The app will guide you through the process of taking clear and legible photos of your ID. Make sure the lighting is good and that all the information on the ID is clearly visible. Once you've submitted your ID, Newton will review it. This process can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of applications. You'll receive a notification once your identity has been verified. While you're waiting for verification, you can explore the app's interface. Take a look at the different cryptocurrencies available for trading. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Once your identity is verified, you'll have full access to your Newton wallet. This means you can deposit funds, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and withdraw your assets. Now, let's talk about funding your wallet. You can fund your Newton wallet using various methods, including Interac e-transfer and bank wire transfers. Interac e-transfer is generally the fastest and most convenient option for Canadian users. To fund your wallet using Interac e-transfer, go to the funding section of the app. You'll find instructions on how to send an Interac e-transfer to your Newton account. You'll need to use the unique email address provided by Newton for your account. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and double-check the email address before sending the e-transfer. Once the e-transfer is processed, the funds will be credited to your Newton wallet. Now, you're ready to start trading. You can browse the available cryptocurrencies and place buy or sell orders. Remember to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency. Security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency. Newton implements various security measures to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication and encryption. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code from an authenticator app, in addition to your password. Enable two-factor authentication in the app settings to enhance the security of your account. Also, be extremely cautious about sharing your private keys or login credentials with anyone. Newton will never ask you for your password or private keys. Remember, the crypto market is volatile. Prices can fluctuate significantly in short periods. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your investments as you gain experience. You've now successfully opened and funded your Newton wallet. You're ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Keep learning, stay informed, and always prioritize security. Opening a Newton wallet is just the first step. The real journey lies in understanding the market, making informed decisions, and managing your investments responsibly. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.